Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to do a real quick video on how to remove a cotter pin. Now in my case here, I'm removing some cotter pins to replace some lawnmower wheels, but this will work in most situations where you just need to remove a cotter pin. Now first here, I'm just wiping off some excess grease. You may or may not have to do this depending on what your situation is. The next thing I'm going to do here is take some needle nose pliers and try to straighten out the ends of that cotter pin that are bent over. Sometimes they're kind of split apart, sometimes they're bent in the same direction. Doesn't matter, just try to get those bent as straight as you can. But it doesn't have to be perfect. The next thing you're going to do is take those needle nose pliers and put one tip of a jaw through the eye of that cotter pin. Squeeze the pliers tight and then take a hammer and give a few taps on the flat side of those pliers and the pin should slide right out. And it's that simple. This can be a knuckle busting job if you don't use the right technique, so I figured I'd just throw this up to help some people out. So one more time here, I'm doing the other side again. I'm just straightening out the ends of the cotter pin. Then put your needle nose pliers through the eye of the cotter pin. Then just use your hammer and tap the flat side in the direction you want to remove it. So that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.